Hi, and welcome to November 2023 Recruiterflow product update. First thing, while we are talking about product update, that I want to discuss is this new feature of there's a new product that we have implemented, and this allows you to suggest us ideas. As you know, we are we really love to listen to your ideas, your problems, and we try to solve them with Recruiterflow and take a lot of product feedback as a way for to build better means of communication and transparency. We have come up with this new initiative where you can suggest us ideas, other users can upvote downvote on your ideas, and that will create a much more democratic process, and much more clearer process for us in terms of building product that you love, right? So if you have any ideas, any suggestions for us, please make sure that you suggest an idea over here. And there are existing ideas that users have suggested. You can see them over here and upvote on the ideas that you really like, and see what the status is. You can see in progress, planned, under review, whatever it is, right? So you can see all the statuses over here as well. Now, moving on to product updates, the first thing that I want to talk about is ability to associate an activity with multiple different kinds of entities, right? So so far, if I created an activity on a candidate, it will show up only on the candidate. With this new update, we are changing that. So I'm just going to create an activity. Let's just say referral. I'm just going to say Dwight referred Pam for product manager job, right? So something very simple. So now I want this activity to show up on Pam Beasley's profile, as well as on maybe the product manager job, right? So I can do both of this, and now if I hit save, it'll show up on Pam Beasley as well as the product manager job profile. So it'll show up at both the places. So that's number one. Number two is parent-child custom fields. So these fields are multiple layers. So I have a field called industry. Under that, I have two values, banking and industry. And under them, I have sub values. Under banking, I have retail, corporate, and investment. And under industry, I have office supplies, manufacturing, paper, and sales and distribution. So I can pick multiples of these values and search through these values in my database. So it just gives you a new way of structuring your custom fields. And third update is we have a bulk email finder. So as you know, we have always had a way for you to enrich people's data with their email addresses. And now, and you could always do that on the Chrome extension, but now you can do that inside the apps. If you have old data, or if you have data where you don't have their email addresses, you can just select those people. Remember, there is always email is equal to not set search filter on advanced search. Once you've selected the people, there is a bulk action that was added called lookup emails. You just can click on lookup email. It'll consume the credits that you already have in your account, and once you hit OK, you will go and find email addresses, the latest and verified email addresses for these profiles. So that's pretty much it in terms of major changes. There are a host of new things, new initiatives that we have. I'll put all the details in the blog. And as always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.